Please pay attention as this message was intended for you to see right now. Your angels are pleading with you to alter your behavior and refrain from thinking negatively because you have unrealistic expectations. Be reasonable in your expectations because people are imperfect, and that is what gives this life balance. Things happen the way they do for a reason, but if there is one thing needs to be changed, we can learn from it and improve our behavior. The universe wants you to learn how to take responsibility for your past mistakes if you haven't already in this brand new life cycle that you are in. Take accountability for any shortcomings you may have committed and exercise caution to prevent repeating the same mistakes. Your patterns and behaviors were the most important lesson you needed to learn. It's possible that it showed it to you through other people, and hopefully it inspires you to live your life to the fullest and teaches you how to seize the chances that come your way for the better. You might not be aware of your potential to be nurturing and take care of those around you. This implies that you are born with an organic love of God. You construct it from the experience and understanding that others have shared with you. If you let your light shine on those who need you and are in need of help, the universe will always be kind and joyful. This serves as a reminder to consider your love life carefully and ask God to help you find the right divine connection. If your relationship seems to be going in the wrong direction repeatedly, God may be asking you to take a step back. If things don't go as planned, a change is probably necessary. Just like anything that isn't working properly needs to be improved, repaired, and maintained. Your transformation is necessary. Perhaps you need to grow your self-love even more. It means you should take care of your physical, mental, and spiritual health. Before you can love someone else, you first need to learn to love yourself. You might need to develop a deeper devotion for yourself. It implies that you need to look after anything that has to do with you. When choosing someone you want to be with and connect with, always choose love and kindness. It defeats the purpose of being in a relationship to be with someone for any other reason than that, and you can't really buy or find happiness within yourself. It is a sacrifice you make for both yourself and the companion you have chosen. Your souls must be fed together in true love. It should be an ever-deepening love and understanding for one another, a love that lasts forever and always because your souls were destined to be together.